Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Yep, it's true. I lost my job. I got laid off due to this whole COVID pandemic. I received a text message from my boss letting me know that I had been laid off and that the Human Resources Department would be in contact with me with all of my paperwork. So, 17 years and I have been laid off. What are we going to do now? I don't have a clue, but I do know that I'm going to take my time and make sure that I make the right decisions. But enough of that bad news. If you watched the previous vlog, the social distancing cruise we went on with the BMW of Alberta crew, you'll know that I talked about Quinn having an issue with the air suspension. One of the lines for the left rear bag was giving a pressure control fault error. Typically what that means is that some moisture got into that sensor. And the recommended fix is you take the manifold out of the car, you bring it into the house, and you let it dry out. Put it back into the car, and normally it fixes itself. However, in this case, I brought it into the house, I warmed it up, brought it back to the car, still same error. Took the airline off, blew it out, and I still had the same issue. So I contacted Airlift Performance, and right away they're like, can you try this? I said, yep, I've already tried this, and they're like, okay. Airlift Performance then gave me a return label with UPS and said, box it up, get it shipped out to us, and as soon as we receive confirmation that your manifold's on its way, we'll ship one back out to you. So hopefully we get that in the next day or two. Once we get Quinn back on her feet, then I can continue to sell it or keep it. I don't know at this point. Now that I don't have a job, I won't be able to get financial support or get approved for a loan because I don't have any income. So maybe this is a sign that Quinn needs to stick around. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. I know what a lot of your guys' answers are already going to be, but I don't know. I'm going to take it day by day. But today, we're going to get the weight wheels taken off, and they need a really good deep clean because they're a little disgusting. So let's get the wheels off. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get the wheels wetted down, and then we'll get it, the wheels soaking in this heavy-duty rim cleaner. This will get all the really heavy grease and grime taken off the wheels so we can make these look super clean and white once again. Okay, they're all coated. Make sure you use that chemical in a well-vented area. It's super hard on your lungs if you're using that in an enclosed area. But now we will rinse these off. And then I have some Adams soap that we're going to hand wash these wheels. So I'm going to get that mixed up and then we'll get to hand washing them. You should take your wheels off every couple of washes and hand wash them. It gets a better clean than car wash or doing them on the car. A good detailing company will actually pull the wheels off and get the nitty-gritties, and especially into the barrels, because that's where a lot of grime and brake dust and just grossness sit. So if you take your time and you pull the wheels off, like I said, every 5 or 6 car washes, it'll be easier to clean your wheels in between those times that you're not taking them off the wheels. So it's a little more tedious and a lot more work because, for one, you're lifting the car up, taking the wheels off, and then cleaning them. But I think for maintenance and keeping it clean, why not? Then you get to inspect your tires, you get to inspect your brakes, just doing some overall general inspections and making your car last longer for your enjoyment. So I'm going to get these all cleaned up. I don't need to bore you guys with hand washing because, well, that's probably as fun as watching paint dry. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up and I'll be back to you guys shortly. All right, wheels are all clean. Now, one thing that I have not shown you guys in the vlog yet, and I'm super excited to use this year, is cordless air blower, leaf blower, whatever you want to call it. But John Thick F30, his Instagram right here, I actually seen in one of his videos him drying his car off with this blower, and I was like, that is a brilliant idea, because at the car wash you pay money to air dry your car. Well, now we can use this. So I'm going to show you guys on the first wheel what it looks like and how it works to dry the wheels off. I think this is going to be incredible for this year's season. It's all cordless, 24 volt lithium. If you want to pick one of these up, links in description below. But let's test this sucker out. I'm not gonna lie, that is super convenient, and now I'm saving myself money by using this cordless blower. Let's get the rest of the wheels dried and we can put them back on the car. Like 5 minutes, the wheels are dry. That is brilliant. Like I said, if you want to get one of those blowers, links in description below. I can't wait to be able to dry the whole car off with it. It's just gonna be a game changer for keeping the car clean. So let's get the wheels put back on the car, and then we'll be able to see the entire car all completely clean. One step closer to having Quinn back on the road. Wheels are all good, they look awesome, and now we will just wait for the manifold to come in. A couple days, they said, should be here. I imagine it might be delayed a little bit because of the coronavirus, but it's okay. It's sitting here. It's finally starting to get nice out. It's on average, we're getting to about 15 degrees Celsius, which is about 55, 60 Fahrenheit. So at least we can be in t-shirts and jeans and still be comfortable. Please like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Peace.